Alrighty, the last segment, call this Light 2, I guess. Couldn't quite get into this last segment. What I want you to realize with light, I guess, as a kind of ending factor, is that it is an EM wave that has an electric and a magnetic field. But no matter what type of wave, it'll always have a crest and a trough, a wavelength, amplitudes, uh, and frequency. All waves have those five characteristics that we say. So it doesn't matter if it's a sound wave where we were talking about it or a light wave, they all have those same things. So the problem that you find out with these vibrations, because we said all waves are a vibration, in this case, visible light itself, only the part we can see vibrates at a high rate, 100 trillion times per second. So it's extremely high, but we can still figure that into, go ahead and figure that into the fact that it does have a vibration that's going to have that crest trough, amplitude, wavelength, and frequency. I didn't get into a whole lot. It's on the main PowerPoint, the fact that what light will do when it encounters different materials. As you say on this last one, I kind of modified this PowerPoint, but the fact that light, as it travels through transparent material, can bend around objects because it does have that wave mentality. And it creates different interference, I guess. There's constructive and destructive interference as it bends and changes around things. Didn't really want to get into that. A little hard to do online, a little better to do face-to-face. But I tried to include that in the full PowerPoint. So if you go ahead and look at that, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, mark.boer@addisonschools.us. Watch some of the videos, Bozeman Science, that's real good. Tried to include some from Khan Academy and YouTube. The Crash Course, I know they go fast, but they do explain a lot of information in a small amount of time. If you have any questions, email. Hopefully you look through everything. And this is it with Sound, Light, and Waves. See you next week.